Guys, welcome back. Check it out. So I'm inside a 2012 Nissan Maxima with a V6. Customers complain of an engine noise or a rattling noise or some kind of squealing noise. He said it's just a loud noise under the hood. So I'm gonna start it up. I want you guys to hear it. I took it on a little test drive. The car drives good overall, but it's just loud. So let me see if it'll do it right now. Let me see if you guys can hear the noise. I'm actually outside the shop already. It's a sunny day. Rain's gone for today, so it's a good day to vlog. So right now I got 2012 Nissan Maxima. I got a PT Cruiser up there with a check engine light, and I got a Honda with brakes, but I don't think I'll show you the brakes. If anything, I'll just run through them. Oh, check this out. Look who's coming. Keep it right here. Let me see if I can focus on that fucker. Look at that. Yeah. If you guys know me, you know I'm not gonna step foot in that truck. If I do, it's just gonna be to shoot talk a little bit with the homie, and but I'm not buying anything, you know that already. But I'm gonna start off the Nissan right now. I'm gonna start it up and I want you guys to hear it and take your guesses. Here it goes. It's a push start, so I don't know if you can hear that, so let me take you under the hood and get you closer to the car. I mean to the noise. I'll get you closer to the noise. I think you guys can hear it because I could hear it in here. It's pretty loud. What is that? You said it sounds like a belt. Yeah, it does sound like a belt. It sounds like a pulley. It sounds like rubber, just very fast. Let me pop the hood open and take you under the hood real quick. I think you guys can hear that. Is that loud enough? Sounds like a bad pulley, sounds like a bad belt. I'm gonna show you guys one way to verify if it's a belt or not. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. I'm gonna use a gallon of water and I'm gonna dump it on the belt. If the noise goes away, then we know it's a belt. And if it doesn't go away, then it's probably one of the pulleys, and I gotta check all the pulleys to see which one's making the noise. So I'm gonna dump some water and we'll have a listen. There it is. That's all it takes. Dump some water on your belt. If the noise goes away, then change your belt. So I'm going to take this car inside, take the wheels off, and then I'll show you guys how to change the belt on this 2012 Maxima. Let's go. Took that cover off. Now we can clearly see the belt here. Now if you want to figure out which one of these pulleys is your tensioner, just go ahead and grab the belt and pull on it and see which pulley moves. The one that moves, you can see this one right here where my pinky is. That pulley's moving when I'm pulling on the belt. You can see it move a little bit. So that's our tensioner right there. I'm going to loosen it up, and the good thing about this is that it has a hole right there and it has a hole in the back. So when I loosen it up, I can put a bolt there, and that'll hold our tensioner loose so that I can swap the belt, put the new one on there, and then we can just put the cover, put the tire, put the wheel back on, and ship this car on its way. Hopefully it doesn't make any more noise, so let me do that real quick. This is what it looks like when you loosen it up. For those of you that are DIYers, do-it-yourselfers, have never done a belt, you can see how it takes off the slack. So once I put it here, I can put a nut or a bolt. I can put a bolt or some kind of pin back there on that hole, and it'll hold it for me right there. So let me do that. I need 2 hands for this. So and there it is. That's how you take off the belt. It's that simple. Always double check your belts, hold them side by side and stretch them out, and make sure that they're the same length, because get the wrong belt, you're gonna struggle putting it in. So always stretch them out, compare it, and this one looks like it's gonna fit. So let me put this in there. Once you're up here, you can take the pulleys and spin them, And if there's one that's making noise, you're gonna hear it and you're gonna feel it too. Okay, I'm gonna just put the belt on. All the pulleys look good, so let me put this on. Make sure that the belt's aligned with all the grooves on the pulleys. If not, that belt's gonna come off as soon as you start it up. So everything looks good here. Now we just take off the tension and remove our bolt. And that's that. It's a self-adjusting tensioner, so once you start it up, it'll be all right. All right, so now that the belt's in, before you put anything back, don't put the tire back, don't put the cover back. Go ahead and start it up and listen for noise. Now, I'm pretty certain that when you do the water test, if your noise goes away, that's pretty much 100% sure that that's your Serpentine belt. So let me go ahead and start it up, and you guys tell me if you hear any noise. Sounds better than before. I don't hear any squealing. Let me go under the hood. I don't know if you guys were able to hear it the first time, but let me just go over there and... no more noise. This one's fixed. Well, that's it, guys. A simple R&R on this Serpentine belt 2012 Nissan Maxima with a 3-point-something liter engine V6. It's pretty straightforward. Hardest part, like I said, a lot of the times the hardest part is diagnosing the car. Is it the belt? Is it a pulley? You know, just double check everything. Make sure you're 100% when you make the call. And I think that's it. Do you guys get this dirty when you guys do a Serpentine belt? Drop it down in the comments below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I know this wasn't anything too crazy, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the little bell. I'll see you on the next video.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente.